up for auction from the McSwain Estate Toys and More. Vintage, rebuilt, abandoned coal mine. This item is for restoration. This is a vintage, pre-built, abandoned coal mine for restoration.